Today, let's talk about the latest controversy of Kriti Sanon and Kangana Ranaut. So, Kriti Sanon's latest Raksha Bandhan advertisement has created quite a buzz online. But this time, it is not just because of the jewelry she is promoting. Well, the advertisement shows Kriti celebrating Raksha Bandhan in a modern Indo-Western outfit. She is seen wearing a bralette style blouse with a cape and a draped skirt while celebrating the festival and also tying a rakhi to her pet dog. And that's where the discussion started. While some people felt that the advertisement was simply trying to give a modern and fashionable twist to a traditional festival, others felt that the styling and presentation were not appropriate for Raksha Bandhan. The advertisement started receiving criticism across social media, and eventually Kangana Ranaut also shared her opinion. Kangana took to her Instagram story and directly questioned the choice of outfit shown in the advertisement. She basically asked why someone would choose what she described as a bikini or undergarment style outfit while celebrating a festival like Raksha Bandhan. Kangana also pointed out that women have plenty of choices when it comes to clothing and questioned why this particular kind of styling was necessary for a festive advertisement. She went on to describe the presentation as intentionally creepy. And because Kangana's story was directly reacting to Kriti's advertisement, the controversy immediately became a discussion between the two actresses. But Kriti was not going to ignore the criticism. She later responded through her own Instagram story. Kriti didn't directly mention Kangana's name, but her message was quite clear. She questioned the idea that a woman's clothing should determine how much she respects her culture or traditions. According to Kriti, the real essence of a festival is the emotion and meaning behind it, not simply the clothes someone chooses to wear. She also questioned when society would stop telling women what they should and should not wear. And Kriti didn't just respond to the outfit criticism, she also addressed another part of the advertisement that people were discussing. The fact that she was shown tying a rakhi to her dog. Kriti explained that she and her sister consider their dogs to be a part of their family. So for them, the feelings of love, protection, health and happiness that they associate with Raksha Bandhan also extend to their pets. And this is basically where the controversy stands right now. On one side, Kangana is questioning whether the styling and presentation of a traditional festival should have been handled differently. On the other side, Kriti is saying that a woman's clothes should not be used as a measure of a culture, values, or respect for a tradition. And honestly, that's what has made this advertisement such a big talking point. Because it is no longer just about a jewelry ad. It has turned into a larger conversation about traditional festivals, modern fashion, personal choice, and the way women are judged because on what they wear. Some people believe Kangana was simply expressing her opinion about the advertisement, while others feel that Kriti was right to push back against the idea that women need to dress a certain way to prove that they respect their culture. So now, I want to know what you think. Was Kangana right to question Kriti's outfit and the way the festival was presented? Or do you agree with Kriti that clothing should not decide whether someone respects their culture and traditions? Well, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.